How to book a ride on Lyft. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from the Solution Guy. In today's video I'll simply show you how you can book a ride on Lyft. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. Now when you open a Lyft app, first you want to make sure to actually allow the location permission. When you allow the location permission, it will show you your current location. This blue indicator right over here is where you currently are. Now this is basically our pickup location. Now in order to go to the drop-off location, we will select the option called place and name address at the bottom, and over here you can simply search for the place that you want to go to and book a ride from there to here. So if you want, you can also choose from map, but I'll just search for a place manually. Once you do so, you'll be able to find the drop-off spot over here, and you just tap on the confirm button. Once you tap on the confirm button, over here you can see multiple type of Lyft rides. So basically you can go ahead and choose any of these which are available for you. If you think either of these is comfortable, just go ahead and tap on the Request Lyft at the bottom of the screen, and most likely your driver is going to accept it, and then you can go ahead and then meet them together. And that's all it takes to book a ride on Lyft. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.